Hi friends, my name is Julia Shore. I am a modern embroidery artist from California, and this is my masterclass on punch needle art. In this masterclass, you will learn how to create your own punch needle wall hanging. We will talk about punch needle basics, and I will show you the way how you can transform your finished punch needle art into cute rustic wall hanging. My art is revolving all around the nature. Everything I create is somehow connected to it. And of course, as a theme for our class, I chose, ta-da, Monstera. This is a beautiful creation of the nature. This plant is so inspirational. Its form is intricate and very interesting, and of course in modern culture it's interpreted in many ways. And today we will create our own Monstera inspired art. For my art I use different fiber methods, techniques, materials, but punch needle is one of my favorites because it's really easy to learn, you don't need lots of supplies, and it's really meditative. You repeat the same motion over and over, and you work with beautiful and pleasant to touch yarn, and of course in the end you get something really unique and beautiful. So if you're new to punch needle, don't worry, because this tutorial will be beginner friendly and I will show you everything you need to create your own punch needle art. Please consider this tutorial not only as something educational, but also as an act of self-care. So make yourself a cup of tea or coffee, turn on your favorite music or maybe some videos you like to watch, and dive into the world of fiber art.